Kamala Harris has chosen Minnesota Governor Tim Walz as her running mate for the 2024 presidential election. He had Midwestern appeal. Now, Walz is a military veteran and a union supporter, and expected to strengthen the Democratic ticket in the Midwestern states. Now, his support and criticism and various political figures and organizations have expressed support for Harris-Walz ticket, while opponents like J.D. Vance and Donald Trump have criticized the choice. Now, the campaign strategy, Harris and Walz are going to campaign in key battleground states, aiming to energize the voters and address official issues like gun control, climate action, and voting rights. Now, this is something awesome. Now, Tim Walz is a high school social studies teacher, a football coach, a union member, and that's before his political career. He served 20 years as an Army National Guard, rising to command sergeant, one of the highest enlisted ranks in the military. And it is something else, folks. What a choice. What a choice that Kamala has taken. And I hope you guys like this rendition, this video. Something different, folks. Now we talk about that Midwestern appeal. Now, the Midwestern governor and military veteran and union supporter, he helped enact the ambitious Democratic agenda for his state, sweeping protections for abortion rights and generous aid to families. So I guess he's right on the ticket with Kamala Harris. This is something else. Now, she decided on him as a running mate, and this is expected to be some great news, folks. I'm not on either side, but this is just some interesting news and some interesting facts. Hope you guys enjoy these cartoons, and I hope this inspires you. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for coming to my channel, and thanks for stopping by. And have an awesome day.